Hello all, thank you so much for being here. My name is Holly and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Today I am pleading with you with all my little heart. So to tell you a little about myself, if you haven't already heard me ramble on about it so many times, I'm a recent graduate of the University of California, Irvine. I'm 21 years old and I have a crippling amount of student debt. So I'm about $26,000 in student debt. Now you may think, Holly, that's not a lot compared to other folks. Now, I would also like to argue that I have no support system. With that being said, I may have an emotional support system, but I don't have a financial support system. So, I would like to plead with you for one moment. If you could subscribe, share this video, ask others to get on over to this channel. I would greatly appreciate that. I work a full-time job. It is from 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Yes, I am saying 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Those all-nighter hours go off queen. And it is incredibly hard to make ends meet. Right now, my loans are all in a grace period, but that grace period will be ending soon. And I need to get my funds up. Although I am looking for other work, I still need to be in one boat. This is a weird metaphor. Be in one boat until I've secured being in another boat. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but basically I need to keep these finances until I find a better option. And trust me, I've been looking and I haven't found anything. It's incredibly hard out here. So right now, what I'm saying is if you don't know, to be a YouTuber and to make money and to monetize your content, you have to have 4,000 watch hours within a period of 1 year, as well as you have to have 1,000 subscribers. And as you can see, if you look at my channel, I don't have those things. And I would love to have those things. So right now I'm just pleading with you, if you could indulge me by subscribing, liking, commenting, engaging with my content, I would greatly appreciate it. I'd like to be a lot more consistent, but as you may know, if you've ever had to hold down several things at one time, or just be an effing adult, it is hard to do so. And I think that the easiest way that you can support me is not only tell me that I can do this, but maybe if you're willing and able to subscribe and also like my content. So basically this was a simple video. If you have any questions for me, if you have any thoughts for me, perhaps if they could be nice thoughts, I would absolutely love that. If they're mean thoughts, you can still say it, but it's gonna hurt. Leave them down below. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it so much, and I will see you in my next video.